comes to vacation destinations, Florida has a lot to offer. From world-famous theme parks to gorgeous beaches and everything in between. There's something for everyone in Florida. To help you plan your next Florida vacation, here are 10 of the best places to visit in the state. Number 10. St. Augustine. Boroughed on the northeastern coast of Florida, St. Augustine is a town with a rich history dating back to the 16th century. Today, visitors can explore the historic downtown area, home to several well-preserved buildings from the Spanish colonial era. Other popular attractions include the Castillo de San Marcos, a 17th century fort that overlooks the Matanzas Bay, and the Fountain of Youth Archaeological Park, where visitors can see remains of a Spanish mission. Of course, no visit to St. Augustine would be complete without taking a ride on the Old Town Trolley, which offers a narrated tour of all the major sites, or taking a leisurely stroll through the cobbled streets of the old city. If sunny weather, sandy beaches, and historic beauty are part of your destination checklist, St. Augustine might be an ideal destination for your next visit to Florida. Number 9. Tampa. While Tampa may not have the same global recognition as Orlando or Miami, this lively city has a lot to offer visitors. Think big city excitement with small town charm. Situated on the Gulf of Mexico, Tampa is home to stunning white sand beaches, as well as a vibrant downtown area with plenty of shopping and dining options. Visitors can enjoy a variety of activities, including exploring the city's museums, going to the Florida Aquarium, taking a riverboat cruise, renting a bike or going for a stroll on the waterfront at Tampa Riverwalk, and exploring the historic Ybor City District. While you are in Tampa, don't forget to spend some time at one of the area's many theme parks, like Busch Gardens. Number 8. Destin. So you're thinking about taking a trip to Destin, Florida? Well, you've certainly picked a beautiful spot. Destin is well known for its crystal clear waters and sugar white sand beaches. But there's plenty more to do in this little slice of paradise. In addition to basking in the sun and taking a dip in the Gulf of Mexico, you can enjoy a round of golf, go deep sea fishing, visit Crab Island, enjoy a stroll on the Destin Harbor Boardwalk, or explore one of the many state parks. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation or an action-packed getaway, Destin may be a great option for you. Number 7. Marco Island. Marco Island is a quaint little island off the southwestern coast of Florida, and it is a perfect getaway destination. The island has gorgeous beaches, many luxury resorts, and tons of great restaurants and bars. Visitors can enjoy plenty of activities such as swimming, sunbathing, fishing, boating, and much more. Marco Island is home to some great shops and boutiques, as well as a few art galleries. This small town will leave no doubt in anyone's mind why it deserves its reputation as one of Florida's must-visit cities. Number 6. Orlando. Orlando, Florida is best known for being the home of Walt Disney World. But there's more to this city than just Mickey Mouse and the Magic Kingdom. If you're looking for a sunny escape, Orlando may be the perfect spot. The main attractions, of course, are the theme parks. In addition to Disney World, there's also Universal Studios and SeaWorld. But if you need a break from the crowds, you can explore one of the many museums or take a leisurely stroll through one of the city's beautiful parks or even Disney Springs. And when night falls, there's no shortage of dining and entertainment options. From upscale restaurants to lively nightclubs. Whether you're seeking thrills or simply hoping to relax in the Florida sun, Orlando has something lovely to offer. Number 5. Sarasota. Sarasota is located on the west coast of Florida. In Sarasota, the sun shines almost every day, the beaches are pristine, and there is plenty to do, both in town and out of town. Among the many attractions, you may want to visit the Ringling Museum of Art, which is home to one of the largest collections of art in the southeastern United States. If you'd like to spend some time enjoying nature, be sure to visit Selby Gardens, Moat Marine Laboratory, and Mayaka River State Park. Be sure to check out Sarasota's lively downtown area with shops, restaurants, and bars. Number 4. Sanibel Island. Sanibel Island is one of the most beautiful and secluded islands in Florida. It's known for miles of gorgeous beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush vegetation. Visitors can enjoy a wide variety of tours and activities, such as swimming, shelling, fishing, kayaking, and biking. There are also a number of restaurants and shops located on the island. Sanibel Island is a great place to visit for a relaxing getaway or an exciting adventure. Number 3. Naples. Visitors to Naples, Florida can enjoy the sun and sand at one of the many local beaches, such as Vanderbilt Beach or Loda-Milk Park. And when you're ready to explore beyond the beach, there are plenty of options for activities and attractions. For those who enjoy golf, there are several championship lush courses in the area, including Tiburon Golf Club and Grey Oaks Country Club. Shopping is another popular activity in Naples, and the city is home to several luxury retailers, in addition to the shopping opportunities and restaurants. Naples offers a variety of cultural attractions, such as taking a tour of the historic district, the Baker Museum, and Naples Zoo. Naples truly has it all. Number 2. Miami. When people think of Miami, they often think of beautiful beaches, blue waters, palm trees, and a vibrant nightlife. While it's true that these are all excellent reasons to visit Miami, there's much more to this vibrant city than meets the eye. From the Art Deco buildings of South Beach, windward walls, a stunning 80,000 square feet art exhibition, to the Cuban influences of Little Havana. Miami is a melting pot of cultures and experiences. Visiting Miami is like taking a trip around the world without ever leaving the United States. Explore the nature Miami has to offer by visiting the Everglades National Park, a 1.5 million acre tropical and subtropical habitat with amazing wildlife, the Miami Zoo, or the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. Head to Miami for a trip of a lifetime. Number 1. The Florida Keys. The Florida Keys are a chain of islands off the coast of Florida, and they offer a unique and exciting vacation destination. There are a number of activities to enjoy in the Keys. From swimming and sunbathing on the beaches to fishing, snorkeling, kayaking, visiting the Dried Tortugas National Park, and exploring all of the natural beauty of the area. You can also visit the lively towns and villages. Take a nice stroll on the famous Duval Street, where you can find great restaurants, shops, and bars. The Keys are home to a number of historic sites, including the Ernest Hemingway House and the Key West Lighthouse. No trip to the Keys would be complete without sampling some of the amazing local seafood. Lastly, don't forget to take a trip to see the famous Key West sunset. The Sunshine State truly has so much to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today.